Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. This is Shormi from California. Today I am going to show you how to make traditional Korean kimchi at home. It's a very delicious side food. You can eat kimchi with any Korean food or dumpling, not just with barbecue. So let's start. For kimchi, you need a Napa cabbage or Chinese cabbage. Take the cabbage and separate every single leaves so that you can wash it nicely, because there is a chance to have dirt inside the cabbage, so it's better to wash before you make it. After you wash, cut it in big pieces like this. Now it's time to soak the cabbage in salt. So take a good amount of salt and mix it evenly. Don't worry, we will rinse the cabbage later. So let it soak and put it away for 40 minutes or so, but make sure you are not over salting it. Between this time, we can prepare our other ingredients. Here is everything you would need. You would also need a flour paste. This is nothing, just flour and water, and heat it up until it gets sticky and make a paste. I have sugar, green onion, flour paste, apple, jalapeno, radish, carrot, bell pepper, onion, ginger, garlic, fish sauce, soy sauce, salt, apple cider vinegar, cooking wine, chili flakes, rice vinegar, sesame oil. After 45 minutes, our cabbage is salted and soggy. Let's break it. When you don't hear any sound, that means it's ready to go. Now wash it and strain the water. Now add all the ingredients with cabbage. Take 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Add some apple, bell pepper, jalapeno, radish, carrot. Take more radish, onion, some green onion also. Remember, you would need 2 tablespoons of fish oil for this amount of veggie. Take 1 tablespoon of heavy dark soy sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of cooking wine. Add 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. Add sugar. You can add sugar depending on your taste. Now I am going to add 1.5 tablespoon of flour paste to make the kimchi thick. On my left, I have cucumber and chili kimchi. If you like cucumber, then I have another separate video for it. Now add 1.5 cup of Korean chili flakes and mix it well. While you are mixing, you can always check the taste. If you like sweet, then add more sugar, or if you need salt, then you can add salt also. For flavor, you can use apple cider vinegar or fish oil. Here I use some salt and sugar at the end. For flavor, I'm going to use apple cider vinegar and fish oil. Once everything is mixed, put your kimchi in an airtight container and refrigerate it for 24 hours. After 24 hours, your kimchi is ready to be served. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. See you in my next video.